Get started on your first hike. Pack the essentials. This is the second to last video in the series. Watch as we discuss 10 things to consider when packing for your hike. 1. We've really found that backpacks are essential to any hike. The advantage of backpacks is that it allows you full range of use of your hands and arms and gives you the storage you need for the rest of the stuff you want to carry. The next thing you need to carry is water. For shorter hikes, a water bottle is fine. For longer hikes, you may want to consider a hydration pack. Hydration packs are backpacks with water bladders in them, and you drink through a straw, which is really convenient during a long hike. 3. A first aid kit. A small first aid kit will change a disaster into a small repair. We've had skinned knees and hands at different occasions, and the items in the kit will make a positive difference. 4. Food. For short hikes, this may not be necessary, but for longer hikes, make sure you have protein bars or other snacks that will get you through the hike. Try not to pack chocolate or other ingredients that may melt and cause a mess in hotter weather. The first 4 are critical. Before we go into the other 6, hit the subscribe button. We're posting weekly, and you don't want to miss what's next. 5. Camera and binoculars. Hikes are more fun for us when we take pictures and have binoculars to view things far away. 6. A flashlight. We don't carry these often, but they are good rescue tools and should be in your backpack. On your first hike, a flashlight is probably not necessary. 7. Pet waste and garbage bags. If you hike with your dog like we often do, bags for pet waste are a must. As bad as it smells, we practice pack in and pack out principles all the time and have carried pet waste for miles until we found a garbage can. 8. A cell phone. Not only does a cell phone allow you to communicate, there are many apps you can use while you hike. We use Google Maps and Map My Ride to track our hikes. Number 9. A whistle. A whistle can be used to send out a warning or to make a loud noise when you are lost. Whistles may also alert others when you are in danger. And 10. A compass. Do you know how to use a compass? We've heard recent stories where a compass saved a lot of struggle for someone lost. Learn how to use one and carry a compass other than the one on your phone. In our final video in the Get Started series, we'll discuss how you pack the fun. Click our playlist and get started.